This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what matters most, your files and project settings. Open Nexus clips, sign in, then import footage, drag folders or select multiple files to save time. Next, set the frame rate and aspect ratio. This prevents re-rendering later and keeps motion smooth. Once done, create a new project and arrange a quick rough cut on the timeline. Trim clips down to key beats. Make sure to save a named project file so you can revert if needed. You now refine the edit. Work on the layered timeline with video, audio, and overlay tracks to control each element. Add transitions for flow, then apply color presets. Adjust exposure and saturation so clips match. This reduces visual jump cuts. Use markers and keyframes to lock effects to exact frames and sync external audio by aligning waveforms for consistent timing. Once you finish the core pass, play the sequence at different speeds to catch pacing issues before moving to export. You complete by exporting with the right codec, resolution, and bitrate. Choose a platform preset or custom settings to balance quality and file size. After rendering, watch the full file to confirm audio levels, lip sync, and artifact-free playback. Adjust and re-export if needed. If export fails or shows glitches, clear the app cache, verify codecs are installed, and try exporting a short segment to isolate the problem. This troubleshooting step pinpoints whether the issue is project-specific or system level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.